put them in this box and put the lid on, and there you go, nature bees. She's literally just climbing up and down those frames, just laying eggs all day. So she's busy. Queen's busy. I laugh at my own shit mostly. Not that funny, but I laugh at my own. You've never seen moonshiners? You gotta watch. They were all settled too, remember?
Yeah, when the sun started coming up.
Yeah, it's just I gotta cut that branch right above the ladder there, and then carry the branch down really good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake that swarm into this box, and I'm gonna hopefully get the queen into the box, because if she goes in the box, they're all gonna follow through this hole. They'll smell her. First swarm of the season. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. My great-great-great-great-granddaddy was a beekeeper.
We're shooting a beekeeper video.
You got it all. It's all in there now.
They're all going in.